In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tags in the product filter on your Shopify collection page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clean up or adjust the tags connected to your products, which directly affects what your customers see when they use filters on your store. Let's get started inside your Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your store. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your products are managed, including their tags. On the Products page, you'll see a list of all the items in your store. Locate the product you want to update. To the left of each product's name, there's a small white square checkbox. Click that box next to the product you'd like to remove tags from. You can start with one product and later repeat the same steps for others if needed. After selecting your product, look toward the top area of the product list for the Options button, usually represented by 3 small dots. This button opens up bulk actions or additional options related to your selected products. Click on those 3 dots. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove Tags and click on it. This will open a new panel or page where you can manage the tags associated with the product you selected. You'll now see a list of all the tags currently applied to that product. These tags are what Shopify uses for filtering and organizing on your collection pages. Carefully go through the list and select the tags you want to remove. This is a good time to think about which filters you actually want customers to use, and remove anything that's outdated, irrelevant, or causing confusion. Once you've selected all the tags you want to remove, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the screen. Click on Save to apply your changes. Shopify will then update that product, and those tags will no longer appear for that item, which helps refine the filters on your collection page. You can repeat this process for any other products that need tag cleanup. That's all you need to do to remove tags from products and tidy up your collection page filters in Shopify.